Hello! Let's take a peek into July at the Head Heart Hands Learning Foundation, where monsoon rains and engaging learning adventures made for a truly memorable month. We were absolutely thrilled to host Sophia Montefiore from Newcastle School in Australia. With her impressive mix of maths and art degrees and over 30 years of Waldorf teaching experience, Sophia brought a fresh and exciting perspective to our high school journey. Her 3-day workshop was a real treat. On day 1, she walked us through the subject-wise curriculum for grades 7 through 12 and even gave us an in-depth look at structuring a grade 10 block. Days 2 and 3 were all about English literature, with engaging masterclasses and lively discussions that really deepened our understanding of how to bring stories and lessons to life for adolescents. But that's not all. Each day included a fun hands-on session with geometric artwork where everyone got to dive into drawing and coloring beautiful geometric designs. To wrap things up, Sophia and Jayesh shared exciting career paths that Waldorf graduates have pursued worldwide. They addressed all the burning questions from parents and teachers, easing any worries and leaving everyone feeling inspired and informed. July was a whirlwind of scientific exploration as our upper grades, including 6th, 7th, 8th, and 10th, delved into the mesmerizing world of physics. This month, we embraced a phenomenological approach to understanding the natural world, engaging our students in hands-on experiments and observation. For our 6th graders, it was a transformative 2-week journey into the concepts of sound and light. Rather than confining them to abstract definitions, we allowed them to first experience these phenomena in their purest forms through silence and sound, darkness and light. Check out this blog piece for a quick dive into the essence of introducing physics through a phenomenological approach to young minds. In the 4-week physics exploration with grade 7, we embarked on a journey through the world of electricity and magnetism. We started by understanding static forces, creating our own batteries, and investigating metal conductivity. We delved into series and parallel circuits, learning about voltage, current, and resistance. Our exploration continued with sound, where we studied intervals, rhythm, and different instruments. We investigated pitch and frequency, culminating in an exciting study of chromatic sounds and guitar string frequencies. Grade 10 students took a deep dive into the evolution of telecommunications, exploring the journey from rudimentary tools to modern innovations. Their exploration included creating their own telegraph machines, which enriched their grasp of communication mechanisms. This hands-on experience connected them with the history and future of telecommunications, blending physical craftsmanship with intellectual discovery. Thunder and lightning, enter 3 witches. July had us diving into the magical world of Shakespeare, exploring both his comedies and tragedies. We laughed, cried, and engaged deeply with the diverse characters and plots of English and Indian theatre. Students experimented with storytelling techniques, brought characters to life through performance, and discovered the different rasas in Indian theatrical tradition. We also tried our hands at academic writing and script writing, enhancing our engagement with audiences and understanding the theatrical craft from multiple perspectives. Creating something with our hands, using physical skills, and experiencing the emotions of achievement, excitement, and artistic beauty is a powerful way to learn. For adolescents, this approach deepens their understanding through conscious effort, while younger students naturally engage their whole selves, head, heart, and hands, enhancing their learning and growth. Grade 10 engaged in handwork with their very special Vimika teacher, managing a remote learning setup with instruction all the way from Coimbatore. They explored macrame and batik art, starting with the basic techniques and design experimentation. Over 3 weeks, students tackled dyeing challenges and refined their projects. The results are stunning, with final touches nearly complete and fabrics ready for sewing. Grades 5 and 6 reunited with their beloved handwork maestro, Seema, refreshing their knitting and crocheting skills. They are excited about the end products they'll take home and keep. Grade 6 history continued with a fascinating study of ancient civilizations. We kicked off with a mock excavation where students unearthed mysterious artifacts, sparking their curiosity about the past. This hands-on experience set the stage for our exploration of the Indus Valley civilization. Students learned about archaeology, replicated Indus art, and built their own cities in an engaging board game. July was an adventure-filled month for our grade 5 students. Despite the heavy rains, they embarked on a memorable trek to Kalyangarh Fort and engaged in rigorous swim training for an upcoming triathlon. They also enjoyed a day at Sai Gurukul at Panshet with their favorite games teacher Devesh. Indoors, they channeled their energy into baking cakes and making jam, which delighted both themselves and the adults around them. This experiential learning laid the groundwork for their upcoming studies in botany, fostering a profound connection with the plant world and its rhythms. These little ones are diving into the world of botany, exploring how plants adapt to their environment and change with each season. They are discovering how plants take on different forms as they respond to seasonal shifts, and it's fascinating to see their curiosity grow as they connect these natural rhythms to their own lives. No month at H3LF would be complete without a dose of musical brilliance. This July, our grade 10 students dove into a music intensive like no other. They broke all the rules with their latest original composition. Think of it as a song that reads like a poem and plays out like a mini musical. They channel their feelings of parting with a friend into a heart-wrenching melody that's their third original creation.
In the heart of wilderness, we felt the calm and happiness. All the heart from red light as a feather. As we ran up the hill, singing our own songs, we had no clue something was about to go wrong. One had to leave, and we don't know why, but we were no longer the famous five.
Stay tuned for their upcoming album. In the meantime, you can groove to their first 2 amazing tracks on the H3LF YouTube channel. As we reflect on the vibrant and enriching experiences of July, we invite you to be a part of our ongoing journey. Celebrate with us the fusion of academic rigor and creative exploration, and experience the joy of holistic education at the Head, Heart, Hands Learning Foundation.